In a country where more than 60% of the country's population works in agriculture, the moral force of the Indian farmers cannot be underestimated. Despite the fact that people don't understand the complex and technical arguments that drive the new legislation, there is a widespread sentimental solidarity with farmers across India. There is subliminal collective guilt at the sight of farmers. Men, women, and their children are spending cold winter nights huddled together at the back of trucks and tractors. The essential tenets of the Sikh faith, many of the protesters are from this community, have also played a part in striking a chord. Kirat Karo, Naam Japo, and Vand Chhako was the call given by Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism and the first of its 10 gurus. Work hard to earn a living, meditate and remember God, and generously share whatever you have earned. So even at the protest site, huge langars or free community kitchens have been set up. Images of the farmers feeding the same police force that had previously wielded sticks and water cannons on them capture the spirit of giving. Most Indians would be confused on where they stand personally on the new laws. But what the protesters are really challenging is the manner of decision making in India. It is an undisputed fact that there was no consultation undertaken by the central government at the time of promulgating the ordinances and subsequently while pushing the bills through the parliament. The global experience across agricultural markets demonstrates that corporatization of agriculture without a concomitant security net in the form of an assured payment guarantee to the farmers results in the exploitation of farmers at the hands of big business. To a polarized and argumentative India, the protests are a reminder that there is a value in consensus. Even the most popular leaders sometimes need to listen to what the street says. India's most powerful politicians cannot always rule by fiat.